Look what we got today. We got a iftari platter from Chaupal. Let's open it.
Hold on.
We got 6 food packs and 3 sausage. Sausage.
Yum, yum, yum. Let's eat.
This is pasta, creamy pasta.
This is sausage.
This is the cream pasta.
This is green sausage. And this is white sausage. And this is white sausage. And this is
Yummy.
what is this?
Zaynah, try.
This is a noodle. This is a noodle.
Zaynah, try. Yum.
Yum, yum, yum. Let's eat this. Ew.
This is rice.
No, I eat this. Let's eat this.
This is also yummy. This is chicken. Yummy, but this is spicy.
And this is sausage. Rice.
These are French fries.
This is fries. No, this is chawal.
The fries are yummy.
Let's eat. Let's eat this. Lekker. You
This is also yummy.
eat this. Let's open this. Oh, yummy! Noodles. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
This is another chicken.
Let's eat. Ah!
It's yum.
Tissue. Let's eat this too.
We don't eat this. This is mayo. Bye. We'll meet you next time.
Bye. Next time.